Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told the graph in the xy plane of the function g has the property that y is always greater than or equal to -2. We're asked which of the following could be g. So we have four functions here, and they're all pretty easy to graph, so we're going to do that. So on this xy plane, we have, first of all, we have two equations of the form x squared. And then we're doing something to them, but the basic form is x squared, which is going to look something like this. So, for this first one, a, g of x is equal to x squared minus 3. This minus 3 is a vertical shift down of 3 units. So 1, 2, 3, and then just the same thing. And this is going to be your A. Put it in bold so it's, or just like a solid line instead of the dotted line, so we know this is one of our answers. This is A. Is y always greater than or equal to -2? No, if we look at our y-intercept, it's down at -3, so A is not the case. B, we're taking that same x squared, but since the minus 3 is within the square term and not outside of it, this is a horizontal shift. In this case, it's 3 to the right. So we go 1, 2, 3, and then we draw that same parabola. For this, is y always greater than or equal to -2? In this case, yes. Our lowest y value is at 0, which is greater than -2, and therefore all the other ones are also greater than -2. Therefore, B is your answer.